everyone. Today we are here to explain V model. So let me introduce you to my team members. This is Miridima, this is Saira, this is Raj, this is Disha, and this is Utkarsh. So V model is also known as verification and validation model. So why we use this model? We use this model because we have some drawbacks in waterfall model, and to overcome this all overcomes we are using a V model. So in this testing is associated with the life cycle. Basically, for example, if we take one unit, we will test one unit. If we combine 2-3 units, we will test 2-3 units, and the whole system is also tested in this. In this, we have two phases: verification phase and validation phase. Verification phase includes requirement analysis. It means that what is the requirement of the user. System design, it means it consists of floor planning. Architecture design, it consists of each floor planning, and model design, it consists of the room in the floor. And validation model includes unit testing. Unit testing means we will test the room. Integration testing is like the floor testing. System testing is the building testing. And acceptance testing is that if we have fulfilled the requirement of user or not. Now I would like to hand over to Sairaj to explain in detail. Thank you.
Sirima has explained about the V model that I will discuss in details how they works, how the developer works, how the tester works, and how the project manager works. Like they don't work parallelly, they work in the V shape. But I will explain you the parallelly how they work. It will be easy you to understand. Now I said that V model is in the V shape. Now here the customer. First case is of the customer. Customer comes with the CRS. CRS stands for Customers Requirement Specification. He handovers to the project manager, and the project manager gives it to the developer and the tester. Basically here we do the verification and here we do the validation. Now here when it goes to the tester, there is the, as shown in the diagram, here is the acceptance testing. The testers do the acceptance planning and acceptance test cases. If they found any error bugs, they contact to the developer contact to the project manager. Until that time, project manager what do developer do convert the CRS to the SRS, that is the software requirement specification. Now in this case, as in the given diagram, the process is same, just the at every position we need to do the testing. After the system testing, it goes to the SRS goes to the system testing. In this case, developer do system test plan and system test cases. Also he compares the CRS and the SRS. Does it had done correctly? Like here he gives the CRS SRS. He compared, does the correct updation has been done? If there is error or bug, he contact to the developer. Developer update its CRS and give it back to the tester. Now here the SRS goes to the HLD, which stands for high level design. When the high level design goes to the tester, here is the integration testing. Integration testing, here same, the testers do the integration plan, integration test, test cases. If there is any fault, then he contact to the developer modify and give it back. Now here integration testing, HLD is compared with the SRS. In first case what we do, SRS with CRS. Now HLD with uh, SRS. Now in till that time HLD is converted to the LLD, that is low level design. Now the low level design, here they do the functional tester do the functional plan and the functional test cases. Same process, if there is an error or any bug, he contact to the developer modify it and give it to the update and give it to them. Now LND. Now at the last point, here is done coding. Once the coding is done, the developer himself do the white box testing. Here is the white box testing. Here unit testing is now, there is the white box testing. White box testing is basically which is done by the developer. He see line by line code. If there is an error or any bug, he update it, he correct it. Now develop software he hands over to the tester. Now in this same way, now the testers give it to the tester give it to the fundamental testing. It goes to the fundamental testing. If there is no defect, it goes to the integration testing. Basically integration testing means we integrate the systems and we do the testing. Now if there is no defect in the integration system, then it goes to the acceptance testing. If there is no defect in the acceptance testing, if there is defect, they need to modify. As I said that in every position there is the testing. After the acceptance testing, the developed software is developer software is handed over to the customer. Now the advantages and the disadvantages will be explained by the Utkarsh.
So hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh and I am going to tell you about the advantages and disadvantages of the V model. So first of all I will begin with the advantages. So first advantage is V model is a highly disciplined model and and the phases are completed once at a time. Second one is V model is used for the small projects where project requirements are clear. Third one is V model, it enables project management to track the progress accurately. V model is easy to use and understand. Then fifth one is V model creates clear and structured process for software development, making it easy to understand and follow. Then V model, the sixth advantage is V model creates clear linking between product and the requirements. So making it easier to track and manage the changes to the developed software. Now I will begin with the disadvantages. So first disadvantage is high risk and uncertainty. So and second one is a V model is not suitable for the projects where project requirements are not clear. Third one is a V model is also not suitable for the complex and object-oriented projects. V model does not allow iteration of phases. Then V model does not easily handles concurrent events. Inflexibility, as V model is a linear and structured model. That's why making it, which makes it difficult to handle the requirement changes. Okay, thank you. Now I will hand over to Raj.
In real life, P model is used various field and industry.
And go.
In real life, V model is used in various field and industry. Some of the examples are aerospace, defense industries, automotive industry, and medical devices.
So basically it is used in complex projects, waterfall like projects, safety, critical systems, etc. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am Vaibhavi More and I'll be explaining the importance of V model. V model helps in early defect identification as testing is done at every development stage, which reduces the cost and complexity of the fixes. It enhances the quality as continuous verification and validation of the software is taken so that it meets the standards and the requirements. It improves the quality cooperation as it clearly defines the phases so that everyone working together is is aligned together to reach the expected outcome. It improves the quality assurance. Overall, V model is a quality focused development process which helps to ensure that the final product is reliable.